Hello, everybody. So today we're going to start chapter 6, problem solving, model division. And our essential question for today is how can you use this strategy acted out to solve problems with equal groups? Okay, so we're on page 219 of the third grade textbook. So let's look at the first unlock the problem. Stacy has 16 flowers. She puts an equal number of flowers in each of 4 vases. How many flowers does Stacy put in each vase? Use the graphic organizer below to solve the problem. So we know she has 16 total flowers. She's going to take those 16 flowers and share them equally into 4 vases. How many flowers does she put in each vase? All right, so what do I need to find? I need to find the number of flowers Stacy puts in each vase. What information do I need to use? Stacy has 16 flowers, and she puts an equal number of flowers in each of 4 vases. So how I use the information? I will act out the problem by making equal groups with counters. So first we're going to count out 16 counters. Then we're going to make equal groups. How many vases were there? There were 4 vases. So the vases are our groups. So there's 4 groups. We're going to place one counter at a time in each group until all 16 counters are used, or I can no longer share equally. So if we have 16, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm going to keep putting 1 in each group until I get to 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I was able to share the 16 flowers equally into the 4 groups, and it looks like we have 4 flowers in each group. Now, draw the equal groups by completing the picture below. All right, so if we didn't have counters, we could have drawn the 4 groups. The circles, large circles represent the vases, and then the little circles inside are the counters or the flowers. So you see they put 1 flower in each group, and we're going to add another one into each group until we've gotten to 16 flowers, or we can no longer share the flowers equally. Okay, so that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we shared all 16 flowers equally, and so she puts 4 flowers in each vase. Does that make sense? Yes, because 4 times 4 is 16. All right, let's go to page 220. All right, Jamal is at the pet store. He buys 21 dog treats. If he plans to give each dog 3 treats, how many dogs does he feed? Well, this is a slightly different problem. It's still a division problem, but in this case, they didn't tell me how many groups. This time they told me how many's in each group. They told me each dog's going to get 3 treats. So I have to figure out the number of dogs or the number of groups. Okay, so what do I need to find? I need to find how many dogs does he feed? Okay, what information do we need? We need to know that he bought. Well, let's look at the other one. What did they do? What information do I need? What information? Stacy has 16 flowers. So here, Jamal has 21 dog treats. He gave each dog 3 treats. How will I use the information? I will act out the problem by making equal groups with counters. Well, slightly different. We are still making equal groups. I will act out the problem by making equal groups with the counters. All right. So what are we going to do first? Well, first we're going to count out 21 counters. Okay, so that's 15, 16, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so I counted out 21 counters. Now, next I'm going to circle groups of 3 counters. Okay, we're going to circle groups of 3 because each dog got 3. So I'm going to I'll just take out groups of 3s with the counters. Because remember, each dog gets 3 treats. So every time I pull 3 treats out, or 3 counters, that represents 1 dog. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be 7 dogs. So now I'm going to draw the 21 counters and circle groups of 3. All right, so there's my 21 counters, and I'm going to circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So Jamal feeds 7 dogs. How can you check your answer is reasonable? The opposite of division is multiplication. Seven dogs times 3 treats each equals 21 dog treats. So I checked my division problem by multiplying. All right, let's go to 221. Mariana is having a party. She has 16 cups. She puts them in 2 equal stacks. How many cups are in each stack? So this question is like the flowers. So where they told me they had 16 flowers and 4 vases. Here, I have 2 groups because they're going to be in 2 stacks. I have 16 cups that I need to share. So how are we going to act out the problem? We can use counters to represent the 16 cups. We can draw circles to represent the stacks. Draw to find the number of cups in each stack. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 2 groups, 2 stacks, and I see 8 counters in each group. So There's 8 cups in each stack. 2 groups times 8 equals 16. So that checks. Number 2. What if Mariana has 24 cups and put 4 cups in each stack? If she already made 4 stacks, how many more stacks can she make with the remaining cups? So we have 24 cups, right? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So there's our 24 cups. She's going to put 4 cups in each stack. If she already made 4 stacks, how many more stacks can she make? Well, there's 4 stacks plus the remaining part. So she can make 2 more stacks of 4. Okay, she can make 6 total stacks. 6 stacks times 4 equals 24. So if she already stacked 4, she can do 2 more. Number 3. At Luke's school party, the children get into teams of 5 to play a game. If there are 20 boys and 15 girls, how many teams are there? Okay, well, let's represent the 20 boys with circles. All right, there's 20 boys and 15 girls. All right, so, and there's teams of 5. So the circles represent all the boys and girls. Now we need to circle groups of 5 to figure out how many play the game. How many teams there are. Okay, so 5, 5, 7 teams. Okay, and that does make sense. 20 plus 15 is 35. 7 teams of 5 equals 35. And put 20 party hats and 20 balloons on 4 tables. If she put the same number on each one, how many hats and balloons did she put on each table? 20 party hats, 20 balloons. She puts the same number on each one, and she has 4 tables. So we know we have 4 groups. Okay, that's the 4 tables. And she's going to put 20 party hats in each. She's going to share 20 party hats with those 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to share 1 party hat with each table and then go back and keep sharing until I've shared all 20. Four, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I've shared all the party hats, and there's 5 party hats at each table. Well, the number of balloons is the same. So there's going to be 5 balloons at each table. And 4 times 5 does equal 20. 4 tables times 5 at each table is 20. All right, page 222. Sadie's plates came in packages of 5. How many packages of plates did she buy? So she has 30 plates, and they come in packages of 5. How many packages did she buy? So we need to draw 30, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30 plates, and they come in packages of 5. So we're going to now circle groups of 5 to figure out how many packages we have. So there's 6 circles, so 6 packages. 6 packages of 5 equals 30. Sadie bought 4 packages of napkins and 3 packages of cups. Which item had more in each package? How many more? And explain how you found your answer. 4 packages of napkins, 3 packages of cups. Which item had more in each package? How many more? And explain. So there's 28 napkins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 24, 28, and 3 packages of cups. Okay, so there's the 24 cups and the 28 napkins. The napkins came in packages of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, that's not the way I wanted to do that problem, guys. Sorry. Okay, let me try this one again. All right. So 4 packages of napkins. That tells me there's 4 groups. Okay. 4 groups of napkins, 3 packages of cups. All right, so napkins, then we're going to share the number of napkins, all 28 napkins, into the 4 groups until I have no more napkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, so the napkins, there's 7 napkins per package. Okay, so the cups, there's 24 cups. 24 cups in a package. So share them until you run out of cups. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's 3, 6, 8 cups per package. All right. Now, which item has more in each package? Cups. One more item per package. I modeled 4 groups of 7 for the napkins, for the 28 napkins, and modeled 3 groups of 8 for the 24 cups. 8 is more than 7, so there are more cups per package. All right, Megan put 3 red balloons and 4 white balloons at each of 4 tables. How many balloons are at the tables? Okay, so 4 tables, so we know we have 4 groups. We have 3 red balloons and 4 white balloons at each of these tables. Okay, so I put 3 red balloons at each table, and now we're going to put 4 white balloons. How many balloons are at the tables? 7, 14, 21, 28. Good, because there's 7 at each table, so 4 times 7 is 28 balloons. And number 8. Miguel bought 18 party favors. He gave 2 party favors to each of the children at his party. How many children were at Miguel's party? Okay, so this is like the dog treat question. So we have 18 total party favors to share. Each child at the party gets 2 of the party favors. And how many children were at Miguel's party? So all we have to do is circle groups of 2. All right, so there's 3, 6, 9 children. 9 children times 2 party favors each equals 18. All right, so that's it for lesson 6.1. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about the size of equal groups. So until then, may the numbers always be in your favor.